Today I'm going to do a short review on this Mr. Heater Buddy propane heater. It's portable. You can take it with you anywhere. I like to take it to my son's games that are outdoors. Put them in front of my feet and keeps us warm. So these sell separately. You're going to have to buy them in order to use this guy. And it's pretty light, but if you're walking pretty far, I would say your arm will get tired. And now we're gonna light it up. This is the dial. We're gonna turn it to pilot. Move my body away from it. You can see that lit up. Already feeling the heat. If you're looking for a reliable heating on the go, this 9000 BTU portable Mr. Buddy heater is seriously a game changer. I don't know what I was doing when I didn't have this before. I was freezing, that's what I was doing. My son has been using it in the garage when he's doing something on the car. I've been using it outdoors when we're camping. I use this outdoors in the winter when my kids are playing their winter games. What I love most is how simple it is to use. You just connect the propane tank, ignite it, and you're ready to go. The heat output is strong, steady, and honestly feels like sitting next to a mini campfire. And the built-in safety features give me a peace of mind, especially the automatic shut-off if it tips or detects low oxygen. It's compact, easy to carry, and perfect for camping, workshops, or emergency situations. If you need portable heat that actually works and won't let you down, this little heater is worth every penny.